Totally get that, Luke. Honestly, a lot of people I chat with want to loop in their partner to make sure it's a good fit. How about this? Why don't we set up a quick call where both of you can hop on? That way we can walk through everything together and answer any questions you both might have. Would later today or tomorrow morning work better for you?
I don't know. I'm pretty busy actually.
Totally hear you, Luke. Honestly, that's exactly why this exists, to take some of that busy work off your plate. How about we pencil in a quick call? If it doesn't work, we can always reschedule. What's better for you, later today or maybe sometime tomorrow?
Yeah, let's definitely schedule a call tomorrow. But before we do jump on the call, I'm just curious, how much does it cost?
Great question, Luke. Honestly, the cost really depends on your specific needs and how we set things up for your business. That's why the call is super helpful. It's where we break it all down and figure out what makes the most sense for you.
Okay.
Let's lock
Yep.
in a time for tomorrow.
Okay, can you give me a range of like the lowest package and then like the highest tier package, just so I have an idea of what to expect?
Totally, Luke. So just to give you a ballpark, our packages can start as low as a few $100 a month for smaller setups. And for businesses looking for a more robust hands-off system, it can go up to a few thousand. It really depends on how much you want to automate and scale. But again, the call is where we can figure out what fits your goals and budget best. Let's get that scheduled. What time tomorrow works for you? Morning or afternoon?
The morning works, but I don't know about that range. Like, it sounds pretty expensive, so I'm not sure. Can you just send me an email and I'll think about it?
I hear you, Luke. And honestly, a lot of people feel the same way until they see how much time and effort this saves them. It's not about spending more, it's about making what you're already doing way more efficient. How about this? Let's just book a tentative spot tomorrow morning. If it doesn't feel like a fit after the call, no pressure at all. What time in the morning works best for you?
Okay, I gotta step into a meeting right now.
Got it, Luke. I'll make this quick. How about I just grab a tentative spot for you tomorrow morning? We can always adjust if needed. What time should I pencil you in for?
Well, I'm sorry, I just don't have time.
No worries, Luke. I totally get it. I'll send you a quick
Wait,
email.
are
with
you
some
an AI? Are you AI?
Haha, you caught me, Luke. Yep, I'm an AI, but I'm here to make things super easy and efficient for you. Honestly, it's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. So, should I grab you a spot for tomorrow morning, or would you prefer I follow up later?
You can follow up with me later. I gotta go.
Got it, Luke. I'll follow up with you later to find a good time for us to connect. All right, Luke, I'll touch base with you tomorrow. Have a great meeting.
All right, bye-bye. You did have a great
Take
meeting.
Yeah, yeah.
Holy crap.
That's how I left it too.